Hi everyone, today I want to show you a super cool new feature called Generative Fill from Photoshop Beta. Here we are into the Photoshop Beta. I have this photo open that I took from a drone, took this one in Sardinia. I just take the lasso and make a selection here on this part of the rocks. We see here down we have available Generative Fill. I click that one and I say white lighthouse and click generate. And here we are, a lighthouse that is perfectly merged and connected with the rocks and the sea. We get three versions. We can click through it. This is the second one. This is the third. If we don't like it, we just click generate and we get some new version from Photoshop. I'm pretty happy with this one. Let's say I select now this part of the hill up here. And this time I'll say white hotel, large windows, multi-floors, and with the sunset light coming from the right, and generate. Not bad. So let's see the second version. I like this more. Super cool that it matched the sunset light coming in on the hill with the hotel itself. And maybe here on this part of the sea, we can ask white sailing boat. Not bad. Maybe these don't look so realistic as the other elements. They look a bit 3D renderings. This is not so bad. We can keep this one, but I think this is just a beta, but I think this feature is gonna help us create some really cool photos. And you, did you try this feature? What do you think about it? Let me know in the comments.